center. Well, I do use the center bend, center notch, whatever you want to call it. I use it for 3-point saddles. And that's because when you're bending your 3-point saddle, that center bend is going to be the center of your pipe. But when you're just doing an offset, or you're going on the outside of the obstruction, or that 4-point that I showed you, you're going to want to use the arrows. That's going to allow more pipe to go into the shoe, opposed to going back towards the notch. Because the arrow's right here, notch is right here. The only other time I've used a center notch is when I'm trying to duplicate bends that are already existing. For your box offsets, 4-point saddles, or even your short 90s, you're going to use the arrow no matter what. And then that leaves us with the star, that little star notch right there. That's going to be your back of your 90. When you're doing back-to-back 90s, and maybe you're measuring a piece of pipe, and that piece of pipe is 10 foot long, but you need a 6-foot 90. Well, instead of measuring a 6 foot and then going back 6 inches to 5.5 feet, and using your star, you're actually just going to measure all the way to the 6-foot mark, turn your bender 190, and bend that 90 from the back end. That's the back of your 90. Now, could you use your center mark? Sure, you could probably use that center bend for all your bends. I don't know if it's going to match up exactly right. I can tell you I use that for 3-point saddles and matching degrees. Leave a comment below on why you guys would use a center bend.